Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm edcgunner and I bought a gold watch. So I wanted to show you. It's my first gold watch that I own and I really wanted it. I actually bought a bunch of watches as a part of a package deal, but the gold watch really won me over because I bought two fossils, Casio and whatnot. But the gold watch really won me over. I wanna restore it, return it to former glory because someone else would just scrap it. That's what people do. But I also I got a I got a Jacques Le Mans with the Sansan 50 movement. I just got it for scrap, for parts, and it's missing a crown and a rotor inside, but has a lot of useful parts for Sansan 50 movements. And when you need one, you are screwed. So that's really good find. And also, I got a Tissot, and now the cell was in the same condition as this one here, and you can even make out what you cannot even make out what maker it is. But yeah, this, and I got this cell, and just like 5 minutes I took a little bit of a toothpaste to polish the crystal here, and I still haven't done it. And just figured I want to show you this one before, and once I get it done I will show you after. But this is for all my viewers who are here, and this is gonna be like part 1 gold watch part 1. I'm gonna name the video, and this is the maker is Rutina. It's automatic watch, Inca block protection, really nice deluxe version. It had a gold bracelet, but unfortunately I did not get the bracelet. It's a 14K gold, but you can see it has lots of scrapes and dents, and even has a little dent here from, I don't know, impact, whatnot. Watch still works. It runs slow, very slow, so it's dirty, and the crystal here is broken. Now I'm gonna go and take it to my watchmaker, replace the crystal. It's plastic crystal. I would polish it, but it's broken, fortunately. And for a full movement and service overhaul, to clean the movement, replace the oil and everything, all that good stuff. But before that, you can see lots of things and scraps and scratches, and I just want to give it a little bit of a fresher look, and maybe even try to bend this back where it was, where it belongs. So I just want to show you, we watched before as a part 1, because I got a gold watch and I don't care now. I have a gold watch. I really like it. I think it's gonna be a classy watch. Fortunately, Tissot, I like it better. I like Tissot better because of the white pearl dial, and this is kind of like a yellowish dial. And hopefully with the new crystal it will become more white, because I'm not really a fan of it. I like this kind of combination, and but nevertheless, Tissot is a Visodate C Star, great watch. It runs actually pretty accurately for its condition, but unfortunately it is a little bit dinks and polishing, and it's a steel gold plated. But I really like it. So that's a nice score. Of course, this one for parts, and a couple of fossils we're not gonna mention here. But I just wanted to share with you guys. So thank you for watching, and tell me, do you have some gold watches? Because I bought it as a scrap value, and I want to save it, because everyone else who would bought it would just sold it as a scrap metal or melt it or whatnot. And oftentimes you'll see guys selling just movements of the watches because they did just that. So to recap, edcgunner got a gold watch. It needs lightly polished. I cannot stand all these scratches, so lightly polishing, movement overhaul, service, and a new crystal. It needs a nice leather band, and it will be good to go. So see you guys on the next time, and hopefully it will be shiny and sparkly just like it once used to be. And I saved it from a certain death of melting in the pot of gold. So thank you guys.